Hi everybody, welcome to Shoemaker Art. I'm Darnell. So today I'm going to try something a little different. Got me here a 30-ounce skinny tumbler from Hog. I sanded it down and then I spray painted it matte black. So that's how I prepped it. And I always tape off the inside when I'm spray painting it. It's so much less cleanup later. You can get it off with acetone. And then this here is a design that I printed off. I googled spiral for this. I'm going to do stained glass with glitter. I saw Joe Lehr, L-E-H-R. It's the Cup Cupboard. That's what his channel is on YouTube. And he does stained glass with glitter on tumblers, and it's fascinating. So I thought I would try the process. Now, this design is fairly simple, so I thought I would start with something like that. I printed off a few other ones and they're a little more intense. I think I better try this one first and then we'll go from there, but I don't know if you can see that. It was a JPEG, so I know that Cricut will cut those, but every time I tried to incorporate a JPEG into Cricut, it doesn't allow me to do it. The screen is black. So I went to a website called picsvg.com, and there you can take a picture and change it, convert it to an SVG. So that's what I did, saved it, and then pulled it into Cricut and cut it. So this is a 30-ounce tumbler, and it's 10 inches this way. And I believe this one was a 9 1/4. Now you can leave a little bit of a rim at the top or at the bottom, whichever you prefer. This one is about 9 1/4 is what I made the length on that one. So like I said, this is fairly new to me, so I'm not sure how this is going to go putting this on, but hopefully well. Let's get this up. Let's see. Don't have my scraper in here. Okay, let's see how well I got this lined up here. Remember, this white part is going to be coming up, so you just want to make sure that your glue can't get underneath that little edge right there. So you can see that. That's where I crinkled it. So hopefully I don't have any more, but if you push all that down, you should be golden. The part that's black is the part that's going to have the glitter put on it. Okay. All right, that part's done. That's what the back side looks like. That's not too bad. Kind of flows. All right, so that came out pretty cool. This cup's gonna look awesome. It's right along the edge, really good there. Okay, so now I guess I'm ready for the glue and the glitter. So I'll be right back. So colors I have are Bourbon Street by Mr. Nola's Glitter, Recollections Orchid, Pot o' Luck by the Glitter Guy, Maryland by the Glitter Guy, Dilly Dilly by the Glitter Guy, Electric Kiss, the Glitter Guy, Snow White, Glitter Bay, Let It Go, Glitter Guy, Purple Haze Jr., Mr. Nola's Glitter. This is obviously lime green, but this is a mixture I used on another project, and this is what was left over, so I am recycling this. And then Mod Podge. You don't have to use the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, but I heard it does stay wet longer, maybe. Not sure if that's true or not. We'll find out, but any Mod Podge should work fine. Maybe have a little more working time with this one. We'll find out. So I'm going to pour this glitter into some cups, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all my colors laid out, and I'm going to start applying the glue to the cup. Up in here is really, really tiny, so I've got a really small brush. Alright, so we're going to start down here with the purple. Be my first color, and we'll start right here. Go back over the other end since it's been a little bit, so hopefully it hasn't started to dry. Make sure I got my edges there. Okay. Yeah. I don't think you have a lot of work time, folks. Okay, and I have a brush here that I'm going to clear off the excess. Move these back a little, actually. So I'm getting purple in them. Alright, so now I'm going to take the vinyl off and see how bad I did or how good I did. One or the other. Oh yeah, so I let this dry for about a half hour. I think I might cut some of this as I go, so it's not hanging around, getting in my way. Or rip it off. Either way works great. Okay, oh my, here we go. I was worried about when it gets up into that little area. Oh, that one looks alright. Let's go. Okay, that's good. Peeled up a little paint there, trying to get that up. Darn it. If I touch it up with a little black paint, if that would work. Okay, so far so good. Whoops. Oh. I think this is the one that was white, and then I went over it with silver because the white wasn't showing up. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's looking good. What do you guys think? Start over here now. Okay, I'm actually should do this side first. Oh, just cut that off. Oh, yeah, darn it. Actually feels a little wet still. I probably could have waited a little bit longer. Well. Alright, well apparently we're going to go this way now. Love it! Okay. Let's go here. Alright, let's cut that. Zip. Nice. Okay. Let's get that pulled up a little bit. Okay, let's go this way. It's deceiving before you start pulling off the vinyl. because it's kind of messy looking, and this really cleans it up and defines it. Wow. Wow. I love it. Yeah, I got a couple little places to fix up, but pretty good. Now, I did have a thought. I thought about going in the middle of each one of these with black glitter and just making this a total coverall. But I don't think I'm gonna. After looking at it, I think I am just going to let this get really good and dry, and then I'm going to spray it with spray sealer, and then let that dry for a day, and then I'm going to put a coat of resin on it. Wow, that came out pretty cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below if you like this or not. Hey, I will show you at the very end what it looks like with a coat of resin on it. All right, bye.